Hello parents and students. Today I would like to show you how to create shortcuts on devices. Particularly, we're going to look at a bookmark toolbar in any browser, and second, on your iOS homepage. Why will we do this? Well, maybe your teacher has given you some file or a link that you need to access almost daily. So, for example, here. In my class, I've posted a link for a hall pass right here. And so the students can fill this out to do a hall pass real quick. Well, how do they access that quickly without going into Google Classroom every time? Well, there's a couple ways. But notice here, if all you do is just go up to, you see that little icon with the lock, or if there was a favicon next to it, all you do is click and drag that down to the bar right here. And see that little cursor shows up? It just says where you want to put it. So now watch this. Let's say I'm in a different place here, and I've loaded up my classes, but I want to go to the hall passes real quick. As long as I'm logged in, it'll go quickly. Now you don't even need to restrict this to web pages. It can also be documents. So let's take, for example, here. Here I am in my drive, and I've got a hybrid schedule here that I would like access to quickly. Okay, so if you right click on the document, you can get the shareable link. So let me get that link real quick, and I'm just going to copy that link. If you paste that link up here in the URL address bar, then it'll show up here. And now that we have that, again, perform that same operation. Click here and drag this down and place it anywhere on the bar you would like. In fact, if you would like to edit this, you can even shrink it down to just something like schedule or sched. And so now we have a little bit more room up there, and no matter where I am, here I am, I take the hall passes real quick, or I want to look at my schedule, I can do that very quickly. So you utilize this toolbar up on the very top when you have a browser. Now if you're over here in an iOS device and you want to do a similar thing, you can also use bookmarks, but let me show you here. If I click on this and I'm going to open this in Safari, I'm actually going to open it in actual Safari, so it's going to open up over here. Now, notice this little icon down below. It's the share icon. So if you tap on that, you have a couple options, but one cool one I want to show you is this right here. Add to home screen. Add to home screen. So click on that, and it comes up with this little icon. It's called hall passes, but you can adjust that if you would like. And I'm just going to hit add. And now look, it shows up on my home screen right here under hall passes. So anytime I tap on that, I instantly access that. So if you had hall passes like this, or maybe your teacher is asking you to log in and for attendance, so then you just tap that real quick, and there you can take care of business in just a matter of seconds. Instead of clicking through your classes, click here and then find your class, and then now your link is probably buried down below somewhere, and then you have to click that. Instead of 7 or 8 clicks, all you do is get to that home page and open it up. Hope that helps.